Hey everybody, it's Mark with G's Bees, and I'm doing an inspection on this hive, and this is a package that was put in 3 weeks ago. All this was put on comb, very much similar to that, but as you can see, it's nothing but drone brood. I mean, nothing. So, I mean, there's a little bit here that you can see is regular bees, but all of this is drones. Got a queen cup right there. It is been charged. So I saw two frames like this, so I really had some concerns. So I went through it a little further, and hopefully I took some pictures and I'll be able to add them up to this. You can see this queen is putting 2 and 3 eggs into the same cell. So my concern is if I let her stand here, we're just going to have drone brood. Or if we allow these queen cups to go, if her genetics aren't the great, I don't know that these supersedure cells will be strong enough. So I have caged her here. I got to figure out what I'm going to do with her. I might stick her in another queenless hive, but I don't know if that's throwing good money after bad. I've got some queens that are going to be out in a couple days. I may just let this be queenless. At some point in time, I'm going to come in here and clear all these bees off, get these drones out of here, freeze the frames. And unfortunately, I mean, it's an old brood comb anyway. It probably needs its time for it to be replaced. But you know, you sure hate to lose resources, honey. Bees are happy here. You can see they're content. They're not angry. They're not upset. But I'm just afraid if I don't keep these bees, as opposed to just have these bees, we're going to have trouble. You can see here, if I can do this right, the girl's got pollen on her right there, so you know they're trying to thrive. I had made notes and said this one was weak. So compared to all my other packages, this is probably the weakest one. You are the weakest link.